Good morning, student. Myself Aduva. I welcomes you all in Ratnamani School for Children. Yesterday we learned the story of Patrick and spelling of Patrick. Right now we will go ahead in the lesson. Unit number 1. Who did Patrick's homework? Paragraph number 1. Patrick never did homework. Patrick never did his homework. If everyone said to write homework, but Patrick never did his homework. He said, too boring. He said, if anyone said to him, Patrick, write homework. So Patrick replied them, it is too boring. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. Every time when Patrick free, when Patrick is free, he played basketball, hockey and video game. His teacher told him, Patrick, do homework or you won't learn a thing. His teachers also advised him that, Patrick, do your homework, otherwise, you will not learn a thing from the school. And it's true. This is the true thing. Sometimes he did feel like an enormous. Sometimes Patrick felt lack of education. But what could he do? But what Pratik could do? He hated homework and he every time hated homework when the when parents, teachers and his friends said to him, Patrick, do your homework. So that time Patrick hated his homework. Paragraph number 2. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. One day Patrick found a cat and a cat was playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away, and Patrick snatched away the little doll from the cat. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll. But Patrick surprised that it was not a doll, but a man of the tiniest size. It was not a doll, but it was the tiniest man. He had a little wool shirt with old fashioned breeches and high tall hat. So the tiniest man wore the little wool shirt, old fashionable trouser and high tall hat on his head. The tiniest man yelled, save me, save me. Here the tiniest man yelled towards Patrick, save me from the cat. The tiniest man said also, don't give me back to that cat. Tiniest man requested to Patrick, don't give me back to that cat. I will grant your wish, I will promise. The tiniest man also said him that, I promise I will wish your grant. I will complete your grant. Paragraph number 3. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here Patrick thought that he was very lucky man. Here was the answer to all of his problem. Here Pratik's all problem were removed by the tiniest man. So Pratik was very lucky man. So he said, so Pratik said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. Patrick put the bet against the tiniest man, and Patrick said to him, if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, so I will save you. I will present security to you. If you do good enough job, I could even get AS. And if you do good service for me, I could give you a I will I could give you a AS means good marks, means good rank. Paragraph number 4. The little man fresh wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in a hamper. The tiniest man's face looked like in very sadness because he had also here got the unhappy thing with him. He kicked his leg and doubled his fists, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Here, little man kicked by his legs and doubled his punch, and he grimaced his face and pursed his lips. Oh, I am cursed, but I will do. The little man thought that I I am cursed man, but I will do for Patrick.